Hello everyone. Today's question is 4 minus 1 in the bracket, 4 minus 1. So first we'll solve the question. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Here, we'll change this to multiplication so it becomes 3 times. While some might think the answer is 9, that is actually not the correct result for this problem. Now, let's look at the correct way to solve it. We have 4 minus 1 inside the bracket, and then another 4 minus 1. So for the first step, we will solve the part inside the bracket, 4 minus 1, which gives us 3. Then we take that result and multiply it by 1. This gives us 4 minus 3. Finally, when we calculate 4 minus 3, it equals 1. This is definitely the right answer.